Hi, I'm Blaine with Advanced Real Estate.
Hey everyone, Kyle, loan officer here at Fairway Mortgage in Crown Point.
And it is the month of March 2022.
Well, welcome, St. Patrick's Day month.
Yeah,
Go
we know
Irish.
we're going to get one more snow coming out. It's just a matter of when in
I read
March.
that. Yeah,
So,
right before spring break, everyone will be driving through the snow.
sounds about right.
Yep. That's
So, what's the topic for this month? What are we going to touch on?
I wanted to touch on taxes just a little bit early. Of course, I'm not providing any kind of tax advice. Use your accountant for that. But I wanted to speak to the tax returns that we potentially could be getting if you're filing. Sometimes that's a significant amount of money, especially if there's kids and things involved.
Sure.
That can be used for down payment funds and cash to close funds for a transaction. Not only that, is you can couple that together with the state and or local down payment assistance programs,
Nice.
of which I can provide you that link through the state, through Indiana Housing. They provide up to 6% of the purchase price and assistance if you're a first-time home buyer. That's huge. That's your down payment and then some. And if the offer and loan is structured a certain way, you might not have to come out of pocket anything to close.
Sounds good.
So if you ever hear of friends and family, it didn't cost me anything. Well, yeah, there's costs involved, but the assistance of the program offset that. I just encourage you, whether it's us or anyone else, ask those questions as a first-time home buyer. Hey, do I qualify? There's certain score thresholds, 640 or above. There's certain debt-to-income thresholds, under 45 if you're a certain score. So a lot of nuances,
Very nice.
but it can be done. I always encourage, hey, have a couple of grand in the bank. It's something we can work with. Or if you have more than that, just know that we don't always need all of those funds to close if there's down payment assistance.
Okay.
So, yeah, kind of getting down the rabbit hole, but every situation is different. There's no one right way or wrong way to purchase a home. A mortgage isn't a one-size-fits-all product. Just know that, based on the tax returns that you potentially could be getting, there's a way to kind of use that money towards either the transaction, paying down debt, so where you do qualify. There's a ton of opportunity in starting the process sooner to kind of find out what's going to make the most financial sense.
Sure.
For most bang for the buck, if I can
Absolutely.
say that. So,
Absolutely.
what are you seeing kind of in the market from the agent perspective? Inventory-wise, I think is a big one people are hearing right now.
Yeah, inventory's been lower and lower.
Still strong values though, right?
Yeah, there's a little less people. Yeah, everything's been selling right at market value,
Okay.
if not.
Good to know.
Yeah, especially if you're looking at a listing within 30 days hitting the market, it's selling at 99.96% of the listing price.
Excellent.
So if you're really making an offer in the first 2 or 3 weeks of it being on the market, you're starting at listing price and going up from there as needed.
Awesome. And to that point, everyone's always going to need to buy and sell homes, regardless of what the market and the geopolitical climate is like.
Right.
So that's why have local advocates in your corner. Start the process sooner. Ask the questions, because it truly does not cost you anything to research this information. Come in, sit down with us, have coffee, have lunch, and we're truly here to help you. So
Yeah, absolutely. There's been a big downtick in new people starting to look on the market. Not to say that that's the forecast moving forward for any period of time, but I just think, especially with what's happening on the other side of the world right now, and people are just kind of uncertain and taking a pause. But it still doesn't hurt to get the ball rolling. At least look at what your options may be moving forward.
being prepared, even if you're not quote unquote certain if you're making a move or not, being prepared and having that option on the table and knowing it's there is a good competitive position to be in.
Yep.
So.
Yep. Sounds good.
Cool, sir.
All
Appreciate
right,
your time
thanks
today.
for the lending information for this month.
Absolutely.
And, we'll be back next month.
Yeah.
And
We'll catch you in April.
have a good one.
Bye-bye.